This is the concept master plan for Rupert Island to make it a new 21st century city along the Straits of Malacca. Not a congested city of 5 million, but a busy, prosperous place in a green landscape for kampong and city living unlike that of Singapore. This is the Malacca-Rupert Bridge. Once this is built, there will be a great boost to the regional economy of Sumatra, Malaysia and Singapore in relation to China. This is a typical heritage seaside kampong in Rupert Island. Most existing villages will be preserved with new jobs in tourism and prawn farming. This site shows one of the early tourism resorts which are currently being built and will be scattered throughout the island. At the connecting point between Rupert Island and the Rupert-Malacca Bridge is Malacca's twin city. The oil and gas terminal will be the major investment in Rupert Island. It will generate many jobs and related businesses and technologies. This is yet another large resort site that will exploit the beach and river as a major tourism asset. This western coastal highway will serve the new airport and all the surrounding new townships and existing villages. This is a typical rural township which I call urbanization. It offers a choice of lifestyle and jobs in a countryside setting. Airport City, this international airport will bring in tourists and serve to export frozen and live seafood and other products to the world. The container port and its adjacent industrial site offers deep water and well-sheltered port facilities which will provide freight transport to the Indo-Pacific countries. The Rupert Dumai Bridge is a floating bridge that connects Rupert City to Dumai and the rest of Sumatra and eventually will also link right across to Malacca. This is the existing Dumai city which will provide all the initial services and logistical support for the development of Rupert Island. Rupert Modular City consists of 1 kilometer square modules. Each consists of smaller raised platforms separated from each other by a 13-meter gap for roads below and lights and ventilation to the car parks and service areas below the deck. Buildings are on the deck which become totally traffic-free for pedestrians and personal mobility devices. Starting with containers adapted for homes and other facilities such as offices and factories in the center, the town can change as it grows. Starting with a population of 10,000, it can ultimately reach 100,000 for each modular city. There are many existing palm oil estates on Rupert Island. These are an essential part of the rural economy. With industrialization, there will be huge value addition. Because of the compact urban planning that is adopted for Rupert Island, all the existing forests and freshwater swamps can be preserved for nature. This is a new way of planning urban development which is pioneered here in Rupert Island. Bird Island will become a major world-class environmental asset and serves as a tourism site. There will be a new central highway that connects through the center of the island and is aligned along the existing estate roads. As we fly through the coastal highway, we can see that the road follows existing village roads which can be upgraded to new traffic standards. As we fly into the Rupert town center itself, this shows the quality of the living environment, free from traffic below with pedestrians above. Solar panels at high level provide renewable energy and also shading for the public. Schools and universities are strung out along the central nervous system which runs through the center of the modular city. And it also serves as workplaces, cultural facilities, and commercial activities. Every modular city is surrounded by farms. As we walk along the central nervous system towards the edge of the modular city, we will see the surrounding farms. As we fly along the central highway which leads onto Malacca, we depart Rupert City. We reflect on this new concept of compact town planning using modular cities and rural townships for 5 million people. Rupert can ultimately create 1 million jobs, 1 million affordable homes, schools for all the children, a 20,000 student university, a 400-bed hospital, and a live-in administration and security services. Let us all work together to make this happen for investors, for workers, for kampong folk, for tourism, and for the natural environment, and for the government, and for the region. Thank you. Let's all make this happen.